Very good morning. Welcome back to JS Testing Academy. We are right. I thought of adding right one very important framework in the market that is robot framework. Okay, lot of companies opt for the robot framework. So robot framework works with Python, Java, and C Sharp also, but this time it can be supported Java and C Sharp. So now I'm going just concentrating on the Python part first. Okay, so why we go for a robot framework? Robot framework is a open source framework. Okay, it can be really downloadable, and it's mainly used for the acceptance testing. Okay, user acceptance testing is used, and also it works with the ADTDD, that is right, acceptance test driven development. Test driven development means first we write test cases, then we generate scripts. Okay, so it's works with the test driven development, ADTDD. Okay, it also supports a robotic process automation. And robot framework works with a keyword driven approach. Keyword driven means we create a keyword and we keep a script. With that keyword we can call the script. Okay, so that is why also it works with a keyword driven approach. We It has some inbuilt keywords. With that we can call it and run the script, or we can user defined keywords also we can create, and that we can call it also. Okay, so it has lot of inbuilt keywords like other frameworks like karate, Serenity framework, where it has some works with some keywords, right? The inbuilt functions, which as that we calling it. Same thing, robot also has some inbuilt functions that we call with the help of these keywords. Okay, so that is also one important thing in the robotic framework. Okay, so it has a very simple plain text files, readable for text files that is act as a feature file, right, or a test case. Okay, in the script. Okay, so this is a background about the robot right framework. First, what we need to do is, right, we need to download Python. We need to do Python. Okay, on the Python org. I already have Python in my script. We need to go to download, so we need to download this Python. Okay, first we need to do it. Okay, and that I already have in my machine, so we need to first download it, can keep in your machine. Next we need to go to Google. Okay, we need to do PyCharm download we should do. Okay, PyCharm community edition, should go search it, and PyCharm community edition download. Okay, free download for Windows or Mac, whatever the operating system you are using, you should download it. Okay, and this is the two things we should do. Okay, and I have already installed and set up PyCharm in my machine, so the ID which we are using is PyCharm. Yeah. Okay, now let me go to command prompt. Okay, after doing both, I need to go to command prompt. Okay, I need to install, right, few libraries here. Okay, first we need to install the Selenium library. For that I need to give pip space install. Okay, first Selenium space Selenium. Okay, and click enter. I already have in my machine, but I'm just right doing it now. Okay, already have in my machine, right? So that's why it's showing. But right, you should give this command in your for installation the Selenium. Okay. Next is we should give pip install robot framework. Okay, so this one you should give enter, click enter. Okay, already have in machine, already have in this machine, that is what is selling. So please, right, you do this one, pip install robot framework. Next we should give pip right? Pip install, okay, robot framework hyphen selenium library. For robot framework we need selenium library, right? So that we should do it. Okay, so I already have this, so it's showing that you do it. Okay, so it's install 3.141 selenium, robot framework 3.12, robot framework python 2.1.0. Okay, it's installed. Okay, now let's go to the pycharm. Okay, we need to first create a project. Okay, I'll go to file, new project. Okay, robot framework demo, robot framework demo. Okay, I created a project here, python project. I created and click create. Okay, a new window. Okay, so now the project is created. Okay, so these are the basic folders. It will have lib folder, script folder, and some external libraries, right? The basic, right, the package will be there in the project which you created. Okay, now I need to, right, these are the different libraries and packages which is already installed. We need to add this, like libraries, some libraries we are going to add now. Okay, for that what I do, I should do is, right, 1 minute, let me go to the project. Okay, settings. Okay, I'll go to the project. Okay, if in the pycharm I need to go to file, settings, I need to select the project. Okay, and we need to add libraries here also. Okay, in command line we added, here also we need to add. We need to go and click python interpreter. Okay, we need to give the plus symbol, click the plus symbol, then add the libraries here. Selenium, first one is selenium. So we have to install, do in both command line and also here. Okay, I'll click selenium, then I'll install the package here. Okay, please do all these basic stuff to start the robot framework. Okay, now it's installed. Now let's go to the next one, that is robot framework. Okay, install package. Okay, next one is, right, robot framework selenium library. Install package. Okay, so these are three libraries we should do. And instead in intel bot, right, that also we should do it. Okay, let's go to plugins, right, we should add one plugin, IntelliBot, right, that we should do it. Already I did it. You please make sure you search in the marketplace. Okay, IntelliBot. Okay, this plugin is already there, right? You need to install, right, in the IntelliBot at selenium, right, library, that you should do it. Okay, please do it, IntelliBot. Okay, this one, the update version is there, no, that one you should do it. Please don't forget to do it for python. Okay, python is a, for python editor and auto suggestion. We need some auto suggestion in the code for that, and for the python editor also. Okay, so you should do it, please don't forget to do it. This both this IntelliBot. Okay, okay, we can go to install plugin from disk. Okay, then go to downloads, and it's a IntelliBot jar, right? I'll click OK. See, it's the restart ID. Apply and click OK. Okay, restart it. I'm just restarting this Intel PyCharm. Okay, now the plugin has been updated and installed. Okay, got it clear? So now let's go and create one file here. Okay, in the project, new file. First we'll create a directory. Okay, directory name, right? Some Flipkart search. Okay, I click OK. I'll go to the folder, right click, create one file. Okay, search. One thing we should make sure here, right? Flipkart search dot robot. If I need to mention the extension dot robot, then only the PyCharm will identify it is a robot framework. Okay, like future file, we need to give a dot future. Like that, we should give, right, same thing. Right, we should give dot robot. You can see the robot symbol there. All right, so it PyCharm identifies this is going to be a robot file. Okay, so we should give search dot robot here. Okay, so now these are the basic setups we need to give here. Okay, for then we need to add some, right, some settings, right? Okay, we need to add some add-ins here. Okay, for that there will be some keywords here like that for settings. This setting is for importing the libraries into our project. Okay, so there is some keywords, right, which is there in the robot framework. Okay, so that can be used right here. Okay, we'll go and first type give library. I'll give selenium. What library I'm using? Selenium library. Okay, so these are the imports I should do in the project. Okay, first library is a selenium library. Okay, now next. Okay, I'll go for another, give another one, variables. We're initializing variables here. I'll do at the last during this video, please wait. Okay, so I'm going to add variables here. Okay, now first let me add test cases to this. Okay, let me add the test case steps which we are going to automate now. As I told you, we are going to automate the Flipkart application. For automating a Flipkart application, we need to open a browser. Now first we need to give a space here. First we need to give the scenario here. What scenario are going to automate the Flipkart search page. Flipkart search page. Okay, now after that I should give a space, then I one space I should give, then I should give open browser. See, as I told you, this works with the keyword driven approach. It has some inbuilt keywords. I should call it, then the corresponding open browser script will be there automatically in the robot framework. Normally in Selenium, right, we give web driver equal to new Chrome driver. Those codes will be inbuilt in the robot framework. That we are calling it with this keywords. Okay. First, I should give open browser here. Then I should give the URL here. I'll go and take the Flipkart URL. I'll copy this URL. Okay, then what browser I need to give? I give a space, right, for right differentiate distinguishing purpose. Then I'll give Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to automate the Flipkart URL with the browser Chrome. Okay, I'll go to the next line. Okay, I want to maximize the window. For that, the keyword is maximize browser window. Okay, I'll click it, then the browser will be maximum. We use normally give in the cell name, right? Driver dot maximize window. All right, we'll give, right, same thing. So this keyword does the work of that particular code. Okay. Now next I'll go click enter. I need to go and input a text in the search bar. Okay, I need to go and input a text in the search bar. Okay, first we need to locate it. Am I right? Right. So we need to go inspect it. One minute. So we have name, right? We have a name, ID name is there. Let me go give. Right. For that, we insert keys normally used to give in Java, right? Here we give the keyword input text. Okay, input text, and give the locator name and the value name dot q colon q. Okay, so I'm going to locate with the locator name and the value is q. This is how we need to pass a value in the robot framework. Okay, but I need to give a space between input text and the locator and the colon the value. Okay, now I need to give laptop. What value I need to give? Okay, locator and the laptop. I'm going to search laptop in the search bar. Okay, now I located this one. I need to click the search button, right? For that I need to take an inspect it. There is a type equal to submit. I'll take an XPath here, just a simple XPath. I'll take it. I'll take a relative XPath. I'll take, and the tag name is button. Okay, I'll go for an attribute based XPath. Type equal to submit. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, I'll give click. See, there are a lot of functions keywords for click. For example, click a button, click an element, click element coordinates, click image, click link. There are a lot of inbuilt keywords in the robot framework. According to the scenario we can use it. Now I'm just going to click a button, so I'm just calling it click button, and I should give the locator, the locator, the XPath which I copied, right? That I gave here, attribute based XPath I gave here. Okay, now next go to the, okay, take screenshot. Okay, we should capture a screenshot, right? For that we have an inbuilt keyword there, capture element screenshot. Okay, so I can give a page screenshot and also an element screenshot also. Now I'll take a page screenshot. Okay, then space the file name dot the extension name png. Okay, now this one, can we run this one? For that I should go select, okay, to the terminal. Okay, then I should give the command robot dot file name. I should copy the path. Okay, then the file name. Okay, Flipkart search dot, the path of the file name I should give and click enter. So it's working. Application is browsers launched. Or enter search laptop. Laptop search page came. The result passed. It's working now. Let's go. There's a screenshot has been taken for page.png. We can take an element also. Elements also you can take. For example, click button or input type laptop. I want to take a screenshot. For that, I need to give input capture element screenshot. Okay, and the locator name. Okay, name q. If I give it, it will take the element screenshot and it will paste it. Okay, then space file name dot png. Okay, Then we'll run it now. If we run it, it should work. Robot, the path, and the file name dot the extension, that is robot. Okay, it ran executed, it got the particular element screenshot also. See, element dot png, if we click it, the particular element screenshot also it took. It's very simple, easy. It works with a keyword. Okay, then robot framework has a reporting also. If you see the report.html, if I open in a browser, see there is a good report came. Okay, what is the status, when it started, failed, the scenarios, the keywords, each keywords it's mentioned here. What is a line by line, right, keywords which we used. Okay, when it started, total seconds, right, captured screenshot, the screenshot also is mentioned in the report. It's a good report, you can see the screenshot for each keyword which we added. Okay, that also is came here. Okay, so this is the simple basic keyword. We are just continue to follow the series. We are going to create a structure of the framework, and we are going to add the next videos. Now shortly I missed one thing, that is variables. I'll tell you now. Okay, I'm going to add one variable, url, and url I'll copy and paste here. Browser, I'll copy browser. Okay, now I'll add the parameter there, url. I'll add the browser. Then I'll run this one. It's working, right? So launch laptop, it searched. Okay, it passed. Okay, okay. So this is how we should create a simple framework. Okay, with the help of the Selenium. Okay. So next we'll add one small thing, that is sleep wait. Right, the waits we'll add. For that there is one keyword called a sleep. Okay, sleep 3 minutes, right, we'll use that dot sleep, right, some weights we'll do it in java, right, that is this one. Okay, and next we'll add an implicit weight also in our code. Okay, we'll add set. Okay, set selenium implicit weight, we'll add 3 seconds, so it's going to wait for 3 seconds. Okay, let's run this one. It will wait for 3 seconds and it will move. Okay, 3 seconds is waiting, right, waiting for 3 seconds and it's moving. Okay, now the code works. So continue to follow the series. We'll create a simple framework like structure, then we'll write some, execute some 2 3 test cases, and we'll share you the report. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thank you, we'll meet you soon. Bye.